In this lesson, we're going to talk about viewing and printing a worksheet's grid lines. So I'm going to open the file called 07 Messenger Appearance, is the one the step-by-step asks us to work on. And I'm going to go to the Page Layout tab. And then in the Sheet Options group, so our Sheet Options group is this little group right here. We have grid lines and we have headings. So we're going to uncheck grid lines and see what it looks like. You can tell that now it's just a white background. It's hard to tell where you're, what cell you're in. But for displaying data, this might be the best option. So we're going to put a check mark back in the view. We're also going to put a check mark in the print box. So it'll force the grid lines to appear in your printed worksheet. Then we're going to open the dialog box launcher, or click on that and open the dialog box for page setup. And it should take us to the Sheet tab. And you'll notice that here it says Print, and we have a check mark in the grid lines. And you can click on the Print Preview button, which is down here in the bottom. It'll take you to your print dialog box or print screen in Backstage. And you'll notice that the grid lines have printed. Or we can take it off and we can go to File, Print, and now there's no grid lines. So that's how you view and print the grid lines on your worksheet and in your workbook. I hope that was helpful. See you in the next video.